In today's video, I'll show you how to create and edit custom fields in QuickBooks Online, a simple but powerful way to personalize your invoices and financial forms. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced QuickBooks user, this feature helps you organize data and make your business documents look more professional. Let's begin. First, open your browser and sign into your QuickBooks Online account. If you're not already on the sign in page, go to the QuickBooks website, click Sign in, and choose QuickBooks Online. Enter your login credentials and click Continue to access your dashboard. Before we start customizing, let's make sure the custom fields feature is enabled. Click the settings gear icon in the upper right corner, then go to Account and Settings. From the menu, select Sales, and under the Sales Form Content section, find Custom Transaction Numbers. Make sure it's turned on. This ensures custom fields will appear where you need them, such as on invoices or sales receipts. Now that everything's ready, let's create or edit your custom fields. From your main dashboard, click Sales. On the left-hand menu, then select Invoices. Here, you'll see a list of your invoices. Choose the one you'd like to work on and click Edit. Once inside the invoice editor, scroll to find the custom field section. Click Manage Custom Fields. To open the customization window, to add a new field, click Add Field. Then give it a descriptive name like project name, order number, or customer reference. You can also choose where this field should appear. For example, on invoices, estimates, or purchase orders. If you already have existing custom fields and want to edit them, click the pencil icon next to the field's name. From there, you can change the label, visibility, or type of information the field stores, such as text, numbers, or dates. If you're using QuickBooks Online Advanced, you can even create drop-down lists for standardized data entry, which helps keep your records consistent. Once you're satisfied with your setup, click Save. QuickBooks will confirm your updates, and from now on, those fields will appear automatically in your invoices and forms. This makes it easy to track specific details and keep your paperwork personalized and organized. And that's it. You've learned how to create and edit custom fields in QuickBooks Online. This feature is perfect for tailoring your documents to fit your exact workflow and keeping your financial records clear and professional. By taking just a few minutes to set this up, you'll streamline your invoicing process and ensure every transaction reflects your brand and business needs. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more QuickBooks tutorials to help you manage your finances smarter and faster.